What I wish I knew about holidays when I was your age. Ready for a year full of fun? Let's go! January starts with New Year's Day. Time for fireworks and new beginnings. February brings Valentine's Day. Share love and candy hearts. March means St. Patrick's Day. Wear green and look for leprechauns. April showers bring Easter. Hunt for eggs and enjoy chocolate treats. In May, we celebrate Mother's Day. Give hugs and say thanks to Mom. June kicks off with Father's Day. Time to have fun with Dad. July lights up with Independence Day. Watch fireworks and wave flags. August is for summer fun. Enjoy picnics and play outside. September brings Labor Day. A day off to rest and relax. October is all about Halloween. Dress up and collect lots of candy. November means Thanksgiving. Feast with family and be thankful. December ends the year with Christmas. Open presents and spread joy. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Follow us at Kids Neurons for more fun learning videos.